Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best Sun Energise solar panel on the market, the 20W 12V solar-powered battery charger and maintainer. This solar panel is designed to keep your 12V batteries charged efficiently and safely, whether you're using it for your car, boat, RV, or even outdoor equipment. Right from the start, what sets this solar panel apart is its built-in smart MPPT charge controller. MPPT, or Maximum Power Point Tracking Technology, is a game-changer in solar charging. It optimizes the energy harvested from the sun, allowing this panel to achieve a high tracking efficiency of up to 99% and a peak conversion efficiency of 98%. This means more power is delivered to your battery compared to traditional solar chargers, improving utilization rates by 20 to 30%. So, if you want a solar charger that works hard for every ray of sunlight, this one fits the bill perfectly. The Sun Energise 20W panel features a smart 3-stage charging process. It goes through bulk, absorption, and float stages, which are essential for keeping your battery charged safely without overcharging or damaging it. This intelligent charging algorithm maintains your battery at a stable level and extends its lifespan, eliminating the need for additional maintenance. You simply install the panel, and it takes care of the rest automatically. Monitoring your battery's charging status is also straightforward thanks to the LED indicator. This lets you know when the panel is actively charging, when the battery is full and charging has paused, and when the charging cycle resumes. This visual feedback gives peace of mind, especially if you're relying on this panel in remote or outdoor settings. Durability is a strong point here as well. The panel is constructed from A+-grade monocrystalline solar cells with efficiency ranging between 21 to 30%. These are protected by strong tempered glass and a corrosion-resistant ABS frame. The entire unit is rated IP65 waterproof, meaning it can withstand harsh weather conditions including UV exposure, hail, sandstorms, and heavy snow loads, making it ideal for rugged environments. Another notable feature is its broad compatibility. This solar charger works with a wide variety of 12V batteries, including wet, gel, flooded, sealed lead-acid, AGM, and lithium LiFePO4 types. This flexibility makes it a versatile choice whether you're maintaining a motorcycle battery or a deep-cycle marine battery. Installation couldn't be simpler. The solar panel comes with pre-drilled holes for easy mounting, and the cables are plug-and-play. You get battery clamp cables, cigarette lighter cables, and bare wire options included in the package, so you can connect it to almost any device without hassle. At just over 5 pounds and measuring 20 by 13.8 by 0.7 inches, the panel is compact and lightweight enough to fit comfortably on your vehicle or equipment without adding bulk. This makes it not only efficient but also convenient to use and transport. The Sun Energise 20W 12V solar battery charger and maintainer is designed to be a reliable companion for anyone looking to keep their batteries topped up using clean, renewable energy. Its advanced MPPT technology, durable build, versatile battery compatibility, and easy installation make it a standout product in its category. If you're considering a solar charger for your car, boat, RV, or any 12V battery system, this model from Sun Energise offers impressive performance and peace of mind for long-term use. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews. See you in the next video.